So shall I go for wind up the social media or not? Because recently BBC report has described that the most number of the people, like the 36% something else like that, the most number of the people, they have already wind up, they are already been inactive their account from the social media. So shall I go for the same, or else what should I do with the social media? These are all the doubts. First we need to understand that before we are going for quieting the social media, just take a little bit step into that, what is the matter in it, why we are using the social medias, why the people are sharing their faces, their face images, or sharing their experiences by spending the quite valuable time. So why it is happening over there with a human being? Because as you know that the rest of creature, they don't have any social media, they don't have account, unless some people have it for their pets. That is different. Okay, fine. So however, why as a human being we are using the social media, that we need to understand. Because in our subconscious mind, or else unconsciously, we have some kind of hesitation to meet the real people. That is one. But at the same time, we have some kind of guilt about that we are unable to meet the real people. We have the guilt feel. So to satisfy those things, to satisfy both those things, we have created one virtual account which describe who we are, which describe what we are doing. So we want to skip what are all the things is quite harmful to me. So I want to skip those are all the things. I want to explore myself is quite more positive. These are all the things we are doing. To fulfill that matter, so we are going for a social medias. We are exploring ourselves, and by skipping these are all the things. That's fine. So when we have the social medias, now we have decided to go for to get the social media. If it is so in the sense, shall I go for it? What will happen after that? However, you are not going to die anymore. But the one thing I can predict that it will happen. That is what? You are quitting the social media, but still you are keep yourself quite apart from the society. Still. You had the same habit. You have the same habit. Still that habit will continue. That is what. So just apart from this society, so just to being detached in the name of introvert, so being detached from the society, unconsciously we were doing like that, because unconsciously we have the fear to face this real world, to face the new people, to face the new situation, even to face the new issues, even to face the new happiness. If it has hide in that situation, in the sense, we have the fear, we have the hesitation, because unconsciously we have that we are getting hurt because of that. Those are all the things. So that is what consciously, that is what our conscious, in our unconscious, that we can predict like that. So whatever you are going to do like that, if you are going for a wind up in the sense also, you are going for another one, taking the another one path, like to lock yourself, to just give what is quite very big from yourself, what is quite big, it is very favorable to you, you are going for a explore. That is what. So you are making that self, which is not, it is quite duplicated, which is not your real face. That is what going to happen, even if you are going for quitting the social media. So we need to break that kind of habit. How do we need to break that kind of habit in the sense? First, by understanding one simple thing, we need to break what is our behavior. We need to break the way of thinking about us. We need to break the way of thinking about this life, about this society, about this world. By understanding that, by understanding one simple thing, we are not hurt by anyone. We don't, even when we have a hesitation in the sense, we need to do what we have more hesitation. If it is right in the sense, we need to do that. We need to go on that way with a lot of courage. Even your mind denied to do that. Your mind denied to say it is not a possible thing. We need to do that. To having the good rapport with the people. We need to just by sending some kind of the messages, by hiding yourself, just sending some kind of messages just for the remembrance. We need to go into that step, like by calling them. We can call them. If they have any great events, in the sense, we can wish them directly by calling them. If we have enough time, in the sense, we have a lot of time, but at the same time we have a lot of reason to lock ourselves, to keep ourselves with us. We are not sharing ourselves with other people because we have hesitation, because we have a fear something wrong will happen. But surely, believe me, the most of the human, they are good. The most of the situation in the life, it is pretty much good. It is quite useful to you to upgrade yourself. That is what. So just unlock yourself to this world. Just unlock yourself. If they are blaming about your weakness, in the sense, let them blame. If they are going for appreciate, if you are not getting any appreciation, in the sense, if they are going for appreciation, in the sense, that is fine at your positive things. If you are not getting that much of identification from other people, in the sense, that is fine. But be with the people, be with the real face, be with the real people. That is most important. That is quite most important, which will, if the life insists you to be in with the real people, in the sense, really in the situation insists you to speak with one people, in the sense, to have that kind of communication skill, in the sense, we need to agree that, we need to admire that. Without blaming our own situation, we need to agree and we need to go for it. That is the most important thing. That's what a lot of the problem has came. Just for the relationship. Having the relationship with the spouse, having the relationship with our own mother, own parents. We have a lot of complexity. Having the relationship. We have the fear about what they think. Let them think whatever they want to think. Whatever the thing that will never affect us. To have the skill to how to handle the people. Even the toxic people, how to handle that. You need to do the same. So just unlock yourself first. Have the habit. Whether you will be accessing the social media or not, that's not a matter. But how you are going to be treat yourself in front of this world. How you are going to treat this world in front of yourself. That's the most important thing. So have a courage enough, being with the people, being in this real world, live at the present. That is what. Whether you are going for any kind of the social action or not, but be with the people. Understand what is their needs and understand what your needs. Don't worry about any kind of things. That is what. So then going for quit the social media or not, that is your wish that you can do that. But we need to change. These are all the habit of the hesitation. That is what. Thank you. You are Rajkumar Pandian. These are all the things we have discussed in our book, The Monk Who Do Not Pray. If you are really interested in the sense, you can go for it, or else you can leave it. That's not a fine. That's fine even. That is what. Thank you, Rajkumar Pandian.